Okay, so today we're going to talk about las relaciones, so describing relationships, and we're going to use some different verbs called reflexive verbs. Now, these are linked to the present tense in the things that we're going to talk about, but the difference is that it talks about myself or ourselves. So let's have a look at this first one then. So how do they look? So look at this infinitive then, llevarse bien con. So this means to get on well with. And the key difference is you see the infinitive, llevar, always has the se on the end. So llevarse bien con. So how does this work when we form it? What we want to be able to say now is, I get on well with, and then a member of my family. So let's have a look at this first example. Me llevo bien con mi hermano. Me llevo bien con mi hermano. So I get on well with my brother. Okay, let's have a look at the second example. So the same infinitive, llevarse, but here we've got llevarse mal con, to get on badly with. Okay, so again the example here is me llevo mal con mi hermana. Me llevo mal con mi hermana. I get on badly with my sister. Okay, so two easy examples to get us going with. Let's move on then. Let's look at a different verb. So the next verb is pelearse con, to fight with. Okay, so again, let's have a look. It's an AR verb with that se on the end. So we go with me peleo con mi padre. Me peleo con mi padre. I fight or I argue with my dad. Next one. And this is a little bit more tricky, bit different. So divertirse con is literally to enjoy oneself, and it's one of those reflexive verbs and also a stem change, so the E in the middle is going to do a little change, like we've seen a little bit with some verbs. Okay, so here we go with the example. Me divierto con, I have fun with or I enjoy myself. So me divierto con mi madre, I have fun or I enjoy myself with my mum. Okay, so all these are in the first person, which is absolutely fine. But we might also want to use them in the first person plural, to say we. So a couple of things here. So remember that extra pronoun. The pronoun's going to be slightly different this time. And also in the final example, we're going to look at how the pronoun shifts after an infinitive. So let's move on with the lesson. So first example then, mi amigo y yo nos divertimos. So literally, my friend and I have fun together. Mi amigo y yo nos divertimos. Next one, mi hermana y yo nos peleamos. So my sister and I, me and my sister, nos peleamos. We argue with each other, or argue amongst ourselves. Okay, last example here, mi padrastro y yo nos llevamos muy bien. So me and my stepfather and I, we get on with each other very well. Okay, final example, and this is where this pronoun, we're going to see it shift a little bit. So look at this example. Me gusta divertirme con mi hermano. Me gusta divertirme con mi hermano. So literally, I like to enjoy myself or have fun with my brother. Okay, so they are reflexive verbs.